Thinking about building your own PC but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll be assembling PCs like a pro. Let's get started. Before we start, let's go over the key components that make up a PC. You won't need much, just a few basic tools to get started. Place your motherboard on an anti-static surface. Open the CPU socket, align the markers, and carefully place the CPU in. Lock it into place gently. Place your motherboard on an anti-static surface. Open the CPU socket, align the markers, and carefully place the CPU in. Lock it into place gently. Find the RAM slots, open the clips, and firmly push the RAM sticks in until you hear a click. If your CPU cooler doesn't have pre-applied thermal paste, add a small amount to the center of the processor. Then, mount the cooler securely. Secure the motherboard inside the case, making sure to align it with the I/O shield and screw it into place. Okay, so now it's time to install the power supply. First, place the power supply in its designated compartment. Then, connect the power cables to the motherboard, the CPU, and the GPU if needed. Alright, let's get to it. If you're using a dedicated GPU, insert it into the PCIe slot and secure it with a screw. Connect your SSDs or HDDs to the motherboard using SATA cables or NVMe slots. Organize your cables neatly to improve airflow, then power up your PC and check if everything is working properly. And that's it! Your PC is now fully assembled and ready for the operating system installation. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.